within Liverpool's historic Georgian Quarter, this stunning English townhouse features grand white windows that overlook streets adorned with vibrant front doors and classical columns. Stepping inside, the timeless interiors evoke a century-old charm, delicately enhanced by subtle contemporary updates from recent renovations. The cohesive design narrative revolves around a serene palette of greens, meticulously weaving through each room, culminating in the opulent ambience of the spacious living areas. Delicious summer fruits such as peaches and apricots not only delight with their captivating colors, but also their wonderfully soft, plush texture. Inspired by this, the seating is upholstered in peach-colored plush, complementing the elegant, linear design. Beautifully harmonizes with warm wood tones. To enhance the vibrancy of the peach, plush, and wood, the walls are painted in a soft green-gray shade. This residence stands as a testament to both its historical roots and tasteful modern adaptation, offering a glimpse into the elegant past preserved with a touch of present-day refinement. townhouse features 5 bedrooms and covers over 4,500 square feet of living space, complete with a coach house, studio, and garage. Access to the residence is granted by a wide set of sandstone steps, guiding you to a front entrance adorned with classical columns. Beyond lies an entrance porch and a refined hallway. Positioned at the forefront of the layout, a distinguished reception room awaits, connected by an open archway to a dining area. Both rooms boast lofty ceilings and abundant natural light. Adorned in the opulent hue of Calque green by Farrow and Ball, these spaces preserve their original plasterwork, functioning shutters, exposed floorboards, and magnificent marble fireplaces. Towards the back of the layout, a tranquil study offers views of the secluded garden.